It's 3:25. Found an English speaking channel. Can't hear it because that's shite. These fucking noises are amazing, man. So some shit you hear about whales fucking speaking to one another. I'm saying that the boy does come for Wales, so maybe that's what he's trying to do. Speak to other whales. Mad as fuck, eh? I've been sleeping in the same room as that since fucking Monday. Can't even be arsed pointing the fucking camera in his direction. You don't need to see him, you can just hear him. What's that? Nice curtains, eh? Andy never finished his beer, fucking lightweight. Fucking fag operators. As a bonus, I'm up in under 2 hours. Woohoo! Cheerio.